If you need to cancel your Google Drive subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is properly managed. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google Drive website and sign in using the account associated with your subscription. Step 2. Access Google Drive settings. Once signed in, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner to open the settings menu. Step 3. Manage your subscription. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled Manage Storage or Manage Subscription. Click on it to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Cancel the subscription. Find the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation and ensure you understand any implications, such as loss of storage space. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancellation, you should receive a confirmation email from Google. Make sure to check your inbox to verify that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Google Drive subscription. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Google support.